pressing one too hard. We need to keep up
Would you care for a
appearances.
drink?
Look like you're having fun.
Gin and tonic, please. Hey, I'm looking for a friend. You're supposed to meet me here.
Okay. Who's your friend?
Song saw me. Korean lady. Around 30.
You seen her around?
Was she alone?
No, she's with Colonel Hanson. But he's inside with other people now. Watching.
So,
Yeah, I can
Kurt
see.
Hansen,
That one
Duke
over
of
there,
Dogtown, in the flesh. More mud than Alpha Hound.
As you wish, sir.
Oh, this is up for grabs.
All of it?
Except for Maywood.
What about Santo Domingo?
This isn't about who has the right credentials. You just have to speak Hansen's language.
You think Hansen will agree to revitalize 10% of the zone because of a few trumped-up military slogans?
That's not what I mean. He needs to be shown his projected profits and losses in plain writing, without any sugarcoating.
So you think I'm sugarcoating?
You signed a contract with Night City.
We need equipment that can withstand and remain reliable in extremely low temperatures.
Our Argentinian friends made me aware. We've reached an initial agreement for the air defense systems.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Salud, amigo.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Stage entrance, artists only. Stage entrance, artists only.
No, I know that it was specially done for us. Payment is not required. Yes? What is it?
Weldon Holt. How's your campaign against Perales going?
Oh, it's hardly a contest. I'd say our victory is assured. But still, don't forget to vote. I'm so sorry. What was I saying?
V, it's good you're here. Not what you expected, huh? Is it the haircut?
Dress looks good on you.
Thank you. That was the surprising bit, I'm sure. It's so good you're here. Don't know what I'd do without you, V. Really.
Didn't exactly give me a choice now, did you? Told me to show up here and just ghosted.
The, runner, your friend, who helped us reconnect last time. Killed him. Fried him, didn't I?
Well, I could say we brought death to his door. Guess the two of us just lucked out.
I ran out of time to explain everything. Saul, I've made so many mistakes.
It's all right, son. Not your fault. The blame's on us. All of it.
On you?
Myers, all of them. I know what they made you do. They pushed and pushed, and I wasn't there to stop it.
Listen, guys, we do not have the time for this now.
Right. Main thing is to get you out of here.
That's not happening.
It is. We got in, we can get out. Just
Not
trust
the
me.
point. I'm dying, Saul. Like V. Hansen has the cure we need. We run now, we both die. Relic's killing V. Blackwall's my poison. I can't bow out now.
Got a plan. Hear it in your voice.
Yeah, one I can't hope to enact without your help. Hansen pulled some tech out of a bunker under Dogtown. Tech that could cure both V and me. We need to clep it. Only way I see of doing that is to stay close. Play the prisoner.
So, fuck.
We'll wait for an opportunity and pounce. I'll be on the inside, ask for your help when the time's right. I can flee once I have that tech.
Nothing's ever simple, is it?
So me. Care to introduce your friends? It's not often I'm simply not familiar with guests attending my own party. And I never forget a face. Kurt Hansen.
Name's V. Just V. Haven't seen Somi in years. Trying to catch up.
Oh, that's what this is. To me, reunions consist of picking up the broken, scattered shards of your heart. Or teeth. Always hurts. Well, I need to grab you, darling. I have a couple NC politicos here who are dying to meet you. And if we're to keep hungry rats from devouring Dogtown, we really do need to feed them the occasional scraps.
I'm all yours, Kurt. See you soon, V.